The phases of curriculum mapping, i.e. laying the foundation, launching the process, maintaining, sustaining, and integrating, and advanced mapping tasks are important because these phases ensure curriculum mappers understand the full picture of what will be involved in the mapping process. Curriculum mapping gives educators a bird's eye view of what students will be learning as they progress through school. When teachers are informed about the expectations which students will encounter, teachers can better prepare their students to meet those expectations. Laying the foundation, which is the first step in curriculum mapping, ensures that the mappers have a clear path set out and are not merely forging ahead, hoping they are successful. The school's needs should be assessed, and those who are mapping must understand those needs. This phase identifies areas within the curriculum and the school that curriculum mapping can address. By laying out a plan for mapping, students' needs will be taken into account as the main focus of the mapped curriculum. Phase 2, or launching the process, is the phase where the mapping process will begin. Mapping begins with building leaders and the core group that will be facilitating the mapping process. The entire staff is involved with the launching process, but at different levels and in different roles. This phase moves slowly with incremental short-term goals so that quality control can be ensured. As the process begins, curriculum writers work collaboratively on near-term standards and assessments with student learning at the forefront of each action. Integration and sustainment of the mapping process is phase 3. The mapping is dynamic and responsive and has become an integral part of the education process in the school. At this phase, mapping curriculum is not a separate function, but one that is normalized, systemic, and automatic. Data from assessments and observations are included in the mapping, and the developed maps are shared and implemented throughout a school community and even beyond. This allows teachers throughout the building and the district to focus on what students need to know and to be able to do. Students become part of the process as data factors into curriculum revisions as needed. Mapping in the future will aid the modernization of what students are taught and expected to be able to do. Looking into the future informs curriculum expectations so that student learning is not focused on outdated concepts. Curriculum of the future will include much more technology, critical thinking, and self-directed learning. Those who map curriculum for the future must understand that as globalization continues to change our world, our standards must change to best prepare our students for their future.